Hi guys, welcome to Easy on It with Sithole. If you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, press the notification bell. Every time when I drop a video, you'll be notified. Today I want to give you three types of people. Now, number one are the leaf people. The leaf people are the people who are only there for a season. When you are hot with anything, it's either it's amapiano or it's anything, they're only gonna be there for that season. When you are struggling to release another hot song, they are out. Number two are the branch people. The branch people are important, but when things get heavier, they are out of your life. So you need them, but be careful of those ones. Number three are the road people. These are the very important people on your life, like parents, you know. These people are going to be there and they're going to be supporting you behind the scenes. They don't need to be seen, these people. They're just going to be supporting you all the way. So we need the road people on our lives. Guys, there's this lady named Celebration Makwakwa, right? She have she have a Facebook. Her Facebook, it was Sithole, I think. Yeah, she had the 22 followers, 22k followers. Let me make it right. She had 22k followers. So her Facebook is hacked. We don't know by who. And these people are using her account to scam people. They are saying they're selling a skin glow. I don't know what's wrong with black people on, you know, whitening their skins and stuff, trying to look white. So yeah, man. So make sure if that account, you know, DM you saying they're selling this, or if you come across this this account, you must know that it is fake, guys. It is fake. And she even went to the police station to report this matter. She's saying it's not going anywhere, and now she's afraid for her life, that she can be killed, you know. She can be beaten for no reason, you know, because people are busy sending her some threat, you know, that yo, we're gonna bewitch you, we're gonna beat you up, we're gonna kill you for eating our money, and you're not giving us our product. So guys, be careful of these scammers, guys. Be careful of this online thinking, guys. So yeah, man. So if anyone DM you, or if you see this account on Facebook written Sithole or Celebration Marco, she doesn't have an account, guys. So be careful. Be careful, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, press the notification bell. Every time when I drop a video, you'll be notified. Stay safe. Don't be scammed. Be smart.